Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining the difference between value changed and editing changed, and why I prefer to use editing changed, and I'm going to be using a text field just because that's just what I'm going to use as an example. So it's going to be value changed or editing changed. So at first these may seem like basically the same thing, but the main difference is that value changed only changes the value, only recognizes the change once you've stopped editing it. So like if you click out of a text field, or if you click out, if you just click something else, then it will recognize it then, whereas editing change recognizes it as soon as you type something in. So I like to use editing change simply because it's a lot more instant. Why does this not work? Oh, I know why. I need to make. Okay, I'm just going to give it. Actually, I won't give it any text. So now I'm going to link it up, and I'm just going to call this text field. And now what we can do, so I'm going to create two events. We're going to have one for value changed here, and I'm going to call this text field value changed, and I'm going to have one more which is going to be editing changed. Let's see, so if I click this, and then let's just do text field editing changed, and then what I'm going to do is just print the text in each one. Text field dot text and text field dot text. Alright, let's run this, and you'll see they don't actually look very different, apart from the fact that I've actually changed the name. But apart from that, you can't really see any difference. So I'm assuming most of the difference is like behind, and you can't actually see it. But yeah, so now if I go over to here, and if I click this, if I change it, you'll see that that changes. And then I need to have another button. Wait, actually, instead of printing the text, I'm going to print edited, and then for this one I'm going to do value change. I actually do value change and editing change. And I also need a way to get out of a text field, so what I can do is, I guess I can just have a button here underneath it, just so I can stop editing the text field, so I can show you guys how it works. 25, and vertically center. Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted. What do I want? I think I want horizontal in center. Why do I still have some errors? Okay, and like that. Okay, so that's all I need to do. And now let me show you again. So what you're gonna see is, if I just change something, so let's just type in A, you'll see the editing's changed, and every time I type something else in, so if I just like type in ADC, you can see the editing changes, but the value hasn't changed yet. So if you were to take the value, if you were to just click a done button now, well, if you were to like go out of this screen and you just want to save this changes, then it wouldn't be saved, since if you were using value changed, it wouldn't have noticed any difference. So what we can do, what you notice is, if I click this button now, oh, that doesn't get me out. Okay, I need to use something which will actually get me out of the text field. So instead of a button, I'm just going to create another text field, since that's the only one I can think of. So just don't look at this text field. This text field isn't important. I'm just putting this here so that I actually have something, and I'll just add in the constraint. So you'll see when I'm changing this around, you'll see that editing's changed every time I type something in, but the only when I click on this, oh, why hasn't the value change been affected? Okay, well, that just makes it even more clear. So this is just why I would use editing change instead of value change. I was thinking that if you type something in and then you click out of it, it'll make the value change, but I'm guessing it just never gets changed. So yeah, that's why I'd recommend not using value change and rather using editing change, especially for text fields, because you can see it's not actually noticing anything, and if you want to make sure that your work is saved and it's not like and it doesn't get lost, then make sure to use editing change. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.